Are you tired of pests visiting your trash can? Use the BagEZ DIY system to keep them away by eliminating the very thing that attracts them to your bins. The nastiness of the trash bag holder stops waste and garbage juice from touching, sticking to, and stinking up your bin, while any antibacterial spray kills germs and microbes that produce a bad smell. And finally, the odor eliminator to capture and mask the odors our food scraps produce. I also recommend hanging peppermint fragrance emitting pouches on the outside of the bin, as animals dislike the smell and tend to stay away. Is the easiest way to make your trash cans unattractive to animals. Experts say that washing and keeping your bin clean is the best way to prevent animals from investigating them. So if you're tired of pests and want to keep them away, use BagEZ and its DIY trash and cleaning system, where it's simple, easy, and it works.